What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This channel is Stay Devoted, and my name is Courage. And we're going to be trading some Webull options today. Not real ones, but on paper trading. Hey guys, I just want to say that this is not financial advice. Trade at your own risk, and if you need help with your financials, definitely seek an expert. Also, I'm trading on Webull. If you want to check it out, you can. Link will be in the description below. It's pre-market. It's currently 9:22, I think Eastern time, but it's like 8:22 Central time. Don't got a whole lot going on. It went up $3 this morning in pre-market. So we're kind of in an uptrend, but it seems to be dropping. But yeah, we'll get back into it when we get in. We'll get into it when market opens. But yeah, okay, market's about to open. We'll see what kind of action we get. Shooting straight up. But that's never a real setup or anything like that. First 15 minutes are like iffy. Seems like we're getting a lot of buying pressure, but who really knows? Just gonna be patient. Probably gonna wait for a drop and get in on a call. Just waiting for that drop. Here we go. I'm gonna get in with three, or I'll just get two of these. 692 strikes. I'm hoping it drops a little more. Maybe it goes down to the 9 EMA. I'm gonna get in. Price cannot be empty. What's Here we go. Okay, we're in. I just saw a lot of buying pressure, so I decided to get in. It bounced off the 9 EMA, perfect timing. I could probably grab another one of those actually. Grab another two, screw it. There we go, that's filled. It's dropping now, which isn't good. I'm hoping we get a bounce off the 9 EMA again. Seems like it wants to bounce, but you never know. It might drop below. Maybe not. There we go. We're getting a nice green candle. We're going back down. We're up $50, but I don't know how accurate that is. Yeah, we're up $78. I'm gonna get out. See if it wants to run a little bit more. Waiting for my open P&L to update. 122. Yeah, I'm getting out. There we go. Now I have $300 more to mess with. I'm probably gonna go for. Maybe I should have just stayed in, honestly. Wait for a bounce back and then I'll probably get in. I'm kind of worried it's gonna drop, but it's going kind of slow now. Maybe it's just the way I'm looking at it. Let's see. Wait for a bounce back and see what happens. Yeah, the 693 options are so cheap. What's the delta? The delta's good. Waiting for a little bounce back. And these aren't live quotes, so if it bounces off the 90 EMA, I'll get in. Since I made 106, I could kind of trail with this 300. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get in. Yeah, it's a big negative. I think I'll get in anyways. I could do 3 of these. I can only do 2 of these. There we go, we got filled. We'll see what it brings us. What was the delta on that? Oh, huge drive up. That's a good candle. Got in just in time. Huge candle of $76. Once again, I don't know how accurate that is. I mean, if I'm using 2 contracts, then it could make sense, especially with the push like that. But I don't know. It'd probably be more like $50. You know what I mean? Maybe $30. I don't know. We'll have to wait till we get into live. But when I do get into live, I'll probably only be trading like 1 contract. At a time, just to test the waters, see um like try and make $20 off each contract. Um But yeah, we'll just have to see what happens. Trying to see if it'll bounce over this Bollinger Band. Probably gonna come down to the 9 EMA. I need to get out. Maybe I'll get that little bounce again. Yeah, I need to get out. Sold. I made $172 today. Um, that's not bad at all, you know, for sitting here 15 minutes, 30 minutes. If you're enjoying this, definitely like and subscribe to stay up to date with my content. I'm gonna be doing these every day, weekday, and just trying to get better at the stock market. I really like the 9, 20, 50, 200. Helps me understand it a little bit better. I like the Bollinger Bands because it helps me know kind of what my range is. It's not always, you know, like this is set in stone, but it does help me give me an idea. The VWAP helps as well. I haven't been looking at that as much, but like if you were, but you could tell that we would just bounce off the 9 EMA and then go straight up, and we caught this bounce right here. And we got a little bit late, but we got it like right here. But it just shot straight up after it bounced off the EMA. It bounced earlier, like right here, and it just bounced back up. So, I mean that it helps. You know, it does help. Um, but if you like my way of trading, definitely drop a like for the videos to help this get the video more out there. I'm sorry about last video when I started my video out on the screen which I recorded, and it was probably very disorienting, so I apologize. But I will see you guys later. Peace out.